Hello everyone, we are study group number 6 of the course Principles of Big Data Management System from UCLA. This video is gonna introduce the final project we did in this course. The goal of this project is to select an interesting dataset from Kaggle, import the dataset into a publicly accessible cloud database, and develop an app that allows users to explore the dataset similar to what is available at Kaggle. We selected an interesting dataset, hospital bed capacity and COVID-19, and decided to implement this project by using Node and MySQL. This is a dataset of hospital bed capacity data for each of the 306 U.S. hospital markets during this COVID-19 period. We all know that how COVID-19 has been impacting our life. The hospital bed capacity plays an important role in this pandemic. Hence, we think this dataset is significant and worth exploring. The app we built in this project is going to allow users to view the dataset, to search the keyword, to filter the items by specific number ranges, to rank the items by a particular variable, and to download the CSV dataset as well. There are 3 group members in our group, including Xiao, Yifei Ren, and me, Lingli Bao. We chose the dataset together and uploaded it onto the Tencent cloud. Then, Xiao was responsible for the back end of the project, which connects to the cloud database through a port. Yifei was in charge of the part that searched for the dataset based on the requirement entered on the web page. My duty is mainly at the front end of the project, including the construction of the web page. Finally, we tested the app together and did some modifications and improvements. Next, Xiao will introduce the coding structure of our project.
In this part, I will introduce the coding structure of our project. Our project is built with JavaScript and running in a Node.js development environment. The Tencent DB for MySQL enables us to use the MySQL database in cloud. After accessing the CSV file in the database, we use the Visual Studio Code to write and edit the JavaScript and HTML code. Now we are going to show you our programming logic in the VS Code. We first import the CSV file named hospital downloaded from Kaggle to MySQL database, which is connected to the Tencent cloud server. The next step is to connect to the MySQL database and query our imported data file. We create an Express app framework with a node and use the MySQL find function to search for the hospital CSV in MySQL database. Then we input the search conditions into the front end and use the API hospital list connector to get our data. The third step is to request a query in a list. We allow the user to input the searching keyword, the searching range, begin and end value, and sorting order. Then in the index.js file, we will determine in detail how to search by keywords, how to search the begin and end value to filter our chosen range of objects, and how to set a sorting order. Our program first determines whether a keyword is inputted in the search box or not. Then it will judge if the user chooses a range from the drop-down menu to decide whether implementing the next step or not. The following step is to use the 2 if functions to set the begin and end value of the filtering range and to set the sorting order to be ascending or descending. After we make changes to the list of values in the hospital CSV, we store the data in our created variable called result. The final step is to develop our web page with all the functions and commands mentioned above. We will write and execute our commands in HTML. First, we import our JS file here. Then we write down the title, subtitle, and author of our project. In the following lines, we create a search box, the filter drop-down menu, the filter range, the click-on arrow that sorts the data in ascending or descending order, and the click-on button that allows us to use the download the CSV file of the table after our operations. So this is how our Data Explorer website is developed. And the final part, Yifei will introduce and show you how our web page works.
Hi, this is Yifei Ren, and let's continue on our final project. First, let's open our website. Okay. See, this is our final project web, and let me briefly introduce it. On the top of the right corner, we can see this the title, hospital bed capacity and COVID-19, and a brief summary, and our group mates. We hope to build a dataset of hospital bed capacity for each of 306 US hospital markets, and we hope to build this web to help relieve the severe situation of COVID-19 in America. Okay, then let's have a basic look of the functions we implemented. First, let's see this data. We can see that there contains of 8 columns: ID, hospital referral region, HRR, and total hospital beds, total ICU beds, available hospital beds, potentially available hospital beds, available ICU beds, and potentially available ICU beds. The first function we implemented is that we can sort the data, both the non-numerical and numerical data, by ascending and descending order. Let's see, there are a lot of small arrows. If we click on it, we can see that the data is ordered by descending order, and then we click it again. This time is the ascending order. And for the numbers, they are run as the same function. And then the second function we implemented is the search and filter function. Let's see this line. For example, if we want to find, let's see, which cities have less than 100 potential available ICU beds in Texas. Okay, let's do it. First, we put in Texas and potentially available ICU beds, and begin with 0 and with 100, and then we start it. Okay, we got the results. We can see that there are, let's see, 10 cities that have potentially available ICU beds less than 100. And for the third function we implemented, let's see, we find this result, but we not only want it on the website, maybe we want to download it to our local computer, so we can click on this, download CSV, and open it. Okay, we can see we successfully download our results to our computer. That's a very interesting small function. Okay, these are all the contents of our final project. We three will keep on working and improving it. And thank you so much for watching it.